Alrighty, y'all. Now that we've got most of our ingredients here into our pan, I'm just coming in with some scoops of our creamy peanut butter, but we've got our candy corn here, dark chocolate, white chocolate, our Halloween M&Ms, marshmallows, and of course more candy corn. Yum! All of my favorite things for this spooky time of year. Perfect. Now we're just adding in a little bit of butter here, but we've got all of our ingredients into our pan. This is looking so good. I'm gonna pop this in our oven at 350 for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, we had this in the oven for about 15 minutes, and now I'm just gonna see how everything is kind of melting together. Of course, we knew our chocolates and everything were gonna melt together, but we're also melting that candy corn and incorporating all of this. I'm just gonna give it a really good stir because we want to get it all mixed and mingled. And you know what, y'all? This is gonna have a surprising taste, like nothing you're expecting. It's gonna come together and create something that I think you all are really, really going to love. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep mixing and incorporating this, but it's gonna be such a fun treat. And we do have more steps to kind of take this to the next level. I think y'all are really going to love this when you see the final result. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, we've got this perfectly mixed and incorporated. I am just coming in with my jack-o'-lantern face here. I'm gonna go ahead and just start scooping. And you guys, this smells absolutely incredible. I can't even describe to you the chocolate masterpiece that is occurring in this kitchen right now. It is to die for. And it is Halloween, so. And don't worry, we've got more candy and we've got another surprise here, brains. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop all of our candy here into this. This is gonna be perfect for your Halloween party. I think y'all are really, really going to love this. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna set these in my freezer to harden. Alrighty, y'all, look at our molds are set. Halloween time is here. I am just grabbing some plates to go right here. Whoop. Flip these over. Brains. This is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna start the peeling process. Oh my goodness, you guys. And of course, you can let these, harden overnight. There's no rules. It's kind of like Outback Steakhouse, no rules, just right. And these are perfect for your Halloween party. So be careful pulling out these eyes, pulling out that mouth. But I really like this mold. I've had it for several years. Whoop. You can get one of these at Michael's. Look how cool this came out too with our candy corn swirled in there. I love the way that looks. And our little brain here. What a fun table decoration center for your table at a party. Okay, this one I think honestly could have sat for a little bit longer in the fridge, but you get the idea. This one came out perfect. This one maybe a little bit more time. What I'm gonna do though is cut into this. The most delicious, edible, like I said, table decoration. Y'all, I'm gonna gain so much knowledge by tasting this. So good. Y'all, you got to try it.